why I don't fry potatoes anymore. You know, I used to love fried potatoes, crispy, golden, and honestly, pretty addictive. But then I started thinking, what's really going into that oil? Not only is deep frying messy, but all that extra grease? Yeah, not exactly the best for my health. So, I decided to switch things up. Now, I make my own version, just to satisfy, but way better for me. Instead of frying, I roast them to crispy perfection. A little olive oil, some fresh herbs, a pinch of seasoning, and boom, delicious golden brown potatoes, minus the yolk. The best part? I'm in control. No weird preservatives, no reused frying oil, just wholesome ingredients. It's actually easier to fry too. I cut the potatoes into wedges, toss them in olive oil, and add my favorite spices, garlic